What's up, everyone? So, based on a suggestion from Michael Tocci, a subscriber, I'm doing tips and tricks for the 2010 Honda Crosstour. There's one other video out there like this. It's the 2013 Honda Crosstour done by everyone in the Honda world knows HondaPro Jason. He did tips and tricks on the 2013, a newer model. This one will be tips and tricks on the 2010, which also covers the 2011 and 2012 Honda Crosstour. So I appreciate the suggestion, Michael. And for everyone, y'all ready? Here we go. All right, so one of the Crosstour features that really comes in handy is this weatherproof and waterproof surface that you can convert your cargo area into. So it starts by lifting the hatch, and you take it and you flip it. So now you have a surface that's waterproof, but in addition to the middle section, you also have the two outer sections in an identical fashion that allows you to flip them over and switch sides with them, giving you a basically 50% or more, almost 60% of your cargo area is now weatherproof and ready for anything that's muddy, wet, dirty, what have you. So you could take like a wet umbrella and put it here, and now you don't have to worry about your carpeting in your cargo area getting too wet. So another nice feature that rarely is mentioned is how the key works with the windows and sunroof. So if you unlock once, unlock again, but hold the key, you can open up your sunroof just by holding the unlock key down after depressing the second time. All your windows and your sunroof open up. Okay, that's cool in the summertime because that will let all the heat out as you're approaching your vehicle. All right, and to piggyback on that feature, if you put your key, your physical key, in the lock, if you turn it once to the left to lock the car and then turn it to the left and hold it, your sunroof will close and all four windows will close while standing outside the vehicle, so you don't have to jump back in if you forgot to put your windows up. You don't have to jump back in and turn your car on to get all your windows to close and your sunroof. All right, so another feature that isn't really mentioned a lot in videos are the memory settings 1 and 2 and how they relate to the actual keys, driver 1 and driver 2. What happens if driver 1 takes their key and approaches the car, unlocks the door. Once they go to open the door, after unlocking it with the driver 1 key, if you watch the mirror and listen to the seat, you see the mirror goes to the setting for driver 1, and so did the seat, and driver 1's settings are engaged. All right. So now if driver 2 approaches the car with their key and they unlock the doors, once they open the door, you'll see their seat, their settings kick in. Okay, you see the number 2, and the mirror moves to that position, and you can hear the seat also moves into the driver 2 position based on the memory setting. So that's how the keys correspond with the settings in the memory, driver 1 and driver 2. So another feature that I find handy, especially with children, once you've parked your car and you remove your key, turn the car completely off, you still have about 3 minutes or so of residual power left that allows you to still control all the power features such as your windows. Okay, so even though the key is completely removed, you still can control all 4 windows. You still have the ability to open up and close your sunroof actually. Okay, so as you can see, the key is out. Okay. There's no key in ignition, but you still have residual power that allows you to control all your power features. All right, so that's knocks out a few of them that, you know, kind of almost come into play more frequently than some of the others. So that's why I chose those. But if you can think of any that you like to see done, or if you discover any on your own, just point them out to me in the comments, and It'd be nice to chat about those. So, as a matter of fact, you might even be able to attach videos to the comments too. So that'd be even better. So people can see some of the things I didn't point out, and then I can also see it. That would be nice. So if you can, just attach a short video too. And on that note, I'll say see you later.